Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on autoplay in Netflix. So if you want to turn on or you want to enable autoplay on the Netflix, here is a straightforward guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open your browser and go to Netflix, sign into your account. Once you sign in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. Once you select account, scroll down to the profile and parental control section and click on the profile you want to change. Then click on change next to the playback settings. Then check the box for autoplay next episode in series or on all. Once you do that, the autoplay preview will be activated and tap on save. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and follow for more. Thank you.